you have ever enjoyed your favorite Japanese dish and wake up the next morning looking swollen, you might be familiar with what Julianne Moore called a sushi face. The actress says she never eats sushi the night before a big event because she knew her face will be puffy. While we would commonly associate certain foods with stomach bloating, as it turns out some of them may make your face puffy as well. Today's video will discuss what sushi face is and 5 ways to avoid it. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. 1. Avoid salty foods. Eating too much salt causes your body to retain water, which results in bloating and gives you a puffy look in the morning. Although there can be many factors that cause bloating, including poor digestion, stress, and food allergies, medical experts recommended lowering your salt intake if you want to wake up camera ready. 2. Cut back on carbs. If you feel like you have gained weight after a high carbs day, it's not exactly true. You can gain pounds after a meal or two, but for every grams of carb you eat, your body retains 3 to 4 grams of water, which in turn causes bloating. If you are familiar with these issues, opt for whole wheat bread and rice instead of white bread and pasta. These foods are rich in fiber, which helps combat inflammation and facial bloating. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps to reduce fluid retention and the chances of bloating as well. Having a glass of water after a meal helps your body to get rid of sodium and encourages it to give out excess fluid. Drinking water before a meal will not only help prevent facial puffiness but can also keep you from overeating. 4. Replace ice cream with yogurt. Even though many dairy products such as milk and cheese may cause puffiness, yogurt can actually help with bloating. A cup of sugar-free yogurt contains active cultures and probiotics that reduce gas in your body and might help with facial swelling. 5. Wash your face with cold water. Splashing your face with cold water in the morning may quickly reduce puffiness. Cold water constricts blood vessels and help to minimize swelling. A cool compress is also one of the easiest and fastest fix for eye bags and overall facial puffiness. Gently press a clean wet cloth over your eyes for a few minutes to quickly eliminate swelling under your eyes. Have you ever had sushi face? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.